Hello and welcome back to the Big Blue Lake channel here on YouTube. I am back in Kingswood West again at 1332 Kingsway. I like this house. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath, detached garage house. It's a great house for, locals or vacation folks because you've just got a decent amount of space without the house being overwhelmingly large. Seems to be well built and well maintained. There is a lot of roof and just wood outside, meaning a lot of deck, a lot of posts and this kind of thing. So this is coming up from the detached garage, which is of course right there. Driveway's on the other side. It's an upsloping driveway. There is storage in that upper garage area, and you can see it's got its own door right around the corner. Right around the corner from there. You go right in there. So right now it's just storage. Could you make that an accessory dwelling unit, an ADU? Possibly. But it's there, and that's really good. So nice open kitchen layout here. This is another chalet style house. These work really well here, which is why they're so popular. And I'll show you the setting. I'll finish the video with the setting. Nice sized bedroom, 2 windows. Love that. Same thing here. And there's green belt off the back. It's just forest off the back. Nothing fancy here. And yes, our favorite carpet, plus the bonus of a toilet lid that's up. Laundry here. Sorry, don't mean to move too fast. Apologize for that. You see, you've got that nice wood stove there, which I'm sure makes it super cozy in this house. And then you've got this nice loft area with these skylights, which has got a really great feel. Trees, sky, good stuff. And then here is the main bedroom here. Got bathroom there. And then this bedroom here does not have its own bathroom to be a true suite, but let's give you a peek out here. In fact, I'll just finish the video here. I was gonna go downstairs, but let's go like this. Sorry. So right here is this greenbelt lot. And that's actually, I can see the east shore of Tahoe through these trees here, right there. Queensway is just over to the side. And there's a big greenbelt area for Kingswood West. Kingswood West, incidentally, is a disbanded homeowner association, so there is no HOA, which I think is a good thing up here. But you got really cool views from this spot, and from that greenbelt where you can go play with the kids or whoever. And so it's a nice setting, very nice setting up here. Thanks for visiting my channel on YouTube, and feel free to reach out with any questions.